Hey everybody, this is Morgan with Sandbed Performance. This is going to be my first video, so I figured I'd just shoot a little film in my shop. So I used to work in a sand bed. Last year I decided to build my 30 by 50 shop that I've been working out of on the side. It's 12-foot walls, three 10 by 10 doors, and 2 walk-in doors and 4 windows. Pretty good size shop, good enough for what I do. I got 2 10,000-pound forward lifts. I had to pay a little bit more for one this year. I bought one last year and one this year. I just got a new welding cart today because I'm fixing to start learning how to TIG weld myself. This is just another extra storage bay for if I have tractors to work on, motorcycles, anything like that. I basically work on everything. This is my project. It's an 86 300ZX that I'm building for 700 wheel horsepower. I've got a built block, built heads, and all that stuff, but I'll get into that on another video. BMW we got in here, we got to put a thermostat on it. I may or may not do a how-to on that. I haven't decided yet, but the F-150 I probably will. I believe it's got a cracked intake. It's running real rich and just has a real low idle. Sprays a little bit of carburetor cleaner around the intake and it perks right up. So usually those plastic plenums like to crack, so I believe that's what's wrong with it. And then maybe on another video we'll go into my tools and everything like that. I literally have more tools here than at work. I'm also a UPS mechanic. I work on the big brown semi trucks as my main job. So but yeah, this is my little clip of my shop. If you like it, give me a like, subscribe to me. I'm going to try to do some more here in the future. Thanks.